Tired of customer data chaos? Let's tame that beast by mastering Stripe customer setups. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Customers tab on the left-hand side. This is where all your customer profiles will live. Click the Add Customer button in the top right corner to create a new customer profile. Start with the essentials: a customer's email address. This is crucial for communication and linking payments. Ensure it's accurate. Next, input the customer's name, and any relevant billing information, such as their address, will not always required. It's good practice to collect this upfront for smoother billing. Use the description field to add any internal notes about this customer. This is helpful for context, especially as your customer base grows. Now for the magic metadata. This allows you to add custom key value pairs to each customer. Think of it as tagging. You can add information like subscription tier, referral source, or any other categorizations relevant to your business. Review the information for accuracy, and then click Add Customer. Congratulations, you've just created a well-organized customer profile in Stripe. Don't forget to add payment methods. You can securely add credit cards or other payment options directly to the customer's profile for easy billing and subscriptions. Remember, Stripe handles sensitive data securely, so you don't have to worry about directly storing payment information yourself. Following these steps ensures efficient customer management and lays the groundwork for streamlined billing and tracking.